Hello, welcome to today's Binfer tutorial on how to send large files using a new message. Once you create an account and you're logged into the Binfer app, go to the top left corner of your screen and click New, then click Message. You'll see an email-like screen pop up, and this is where you fill in all the information for the recipient of your files. 2 is for their email address. The subject line is where you can describe the file content, and you probably noticed that this looks very similar to the traditional email interface, so it should be familiar. Next up is the comment box, and that's where you can provide more details about the files being transferred, or not. It's totally optional. I'm making a little joke in here, probably not that funny, but we'll just move on. Next up is your file box, and this is where you drag and drop your large video files, JPEGs, or what have you. Today it's going to be some beautiful bird JPEGs. If you don't want to drag and drop, you have another option. You can always meander over to the right, and you'll see a plus and a circle. You can click that to select individual files as well. Now, your recipient doesn't have to install Binfer in order to receive files. Just make sure that Enable Web Pickup is clicked in that middle box under Options so that they can get the files using a web browser. Then go back up to the left. You'll hit the arrow to send the files, and boom, your recipient will get an email with a link to the files. Be sure to keep the app running, and you're done. Now, I did want to show you what happens on the recipient's end after they get your emailed message with the link to the files. So you sent the bird images in this case, and your recipient got the link in an email. They opened it up, they pasted it into a browser, hit enter. A few seconds later, they get their files. Here they are, nice icon view, so you can check out what each one is. You also get notified, hey, they opened the files. Now, the recipient can either hit this first symbol to the left of the Binfer bead to compress all the files into a zip, which I'm not going to do, or I just want to click on one image just to show you how easy it is to access them. Just a few clicks, and poof. Our fine feathered friend. Easy, right? You're done.